Now 2.5, question number 5 itself. That is group 5. We have to write the given decimal numbers in expanded form. First question, group 5. First question is to 20.03. That means ones, tens. But here onwards, tens, hundreds and so on. So we can write 2 times 10 plus 0 times 1. Ones place 1. Tens place 10. Multiply by 10. Then plus 0 times 1 on 10. Tens. Okay. Plus 3 times 1 on 100. Clear? So this is the expanded form. Then the second question is to 21.37. So 2 times 10 plus 1 times 1. 1 ones, tens, like that way. Then plus 3 times 1 on 10. After decimal point, first digit, that is 1 on 10's place. So that is plus 7 times 1 on 100. Clear? Then the third question is 10.25. 10.25. That is 1 into 10. Tens place. So 1 into 10. Here 0 in ones place. So multiply by 1. Plus 2 times 1 on 10. 2 times 1 on 10 plus 5 times 1 on 100. Clear? Then the fourth question is 9.42. So 9, only once digit. 9 times 1 plus 4 times 1 on 10 plus 2 times 1 on 100. Next, if there is next digit, that will be 1 on 1000. Okay. Then the next question, fifth question is 63.352. Then that is equal to 63. 6 times 10 plus 3 times 1. Okay. Plus 3 times here tens, hundreds, thousands. That means 1 on 10, 1 on 100, 1 on 1000. So 1 on 10 plus 5 times 1 on 100 plus 2 times 1 on, can't see. Then plus 2 times 1 on 1000. This is the expanded form. Clear? Now we can do this. Question number 6. We have to find the place value of 2 in the following decimal numbers. 5 decimal numbers are here. We have to find the place value of digit 2. Only digit 2. That is 2.56. Here 2. 2 is in ones place. So we can write 2 ones. Okay. This is the place value. Then second question is 21.37. Here 2 is in tens place. So we can write 2 tens. Clear? Then for this third question, that is 10.25. So we can write place value. Here it is 2 tens. TENTHS. Then fourth question, it is 9.42. Then here 2. 4 2 tens, hundreds. So we can write 2 hundreds. DTHS. Then the fifth question is 63.352. That we can write tens, hundreds, thousands. 2 thousands. Thousand. THS. Thousands. Okay. Now we can do this seventh question. Dinesh went from place A to place B. That means place A to place B. Here is the B. Then from there to place C. From here to place C. Then A is 7.5 kilometer from B. So 7.5 kilometer from B. So the distance from A and B is equal to 7.5. And B is 12.7 kilometer. So that is 12.7 kilometer from C. That means the distance from B and C, 12.7 kilometer. Then Ayub, this is for Dinesh, okay? Dinesh. And for Ayub, that is place A to place D. That means from here to place A to D. that is A and this is D. Then from there to place D. Place C. Okay, from here to C. Not D, place C. Then first A, he was standing on A, then went to D, then C. Then the distance D is 9.3 kilometer. 9.3 kilometer from A. And C is 11.8 kilometer from D. C 11.8 kilometer from D. What is the question? Who traveled more and by how much? So we have to find total of these two persons traveled. That means Dinesh traveled 7.5 and 12.7. That is 12. Then 9, 10, 2. 20.2 kilometer is there. 20.2 kilometer. For Ayub, 9.3 and 11.8. Here it is 1. Then 1. Here it is 2. 21.1 kilometer for Ayub also. So Dinesh traveled 20.2 kilometer and Ayub traveled 21.1 kilometer. Who traveled more? That is Ayub traveled more. So what is the difference between these two kilometer? We have to subtract smaller number from the higher number. Here it is 21.1 minus 20.2 is there. Here 11 will be there. So here will be 0. 11 minus 2, that is 9.9. So we can say 20 minus 20 0. That much kilometer. So how much more? 0.9 kilometer. We know 0.9 kilometer is equal to 900 meter is the difference, or 0.9. How can we write this one 900? That is 0.9 multiplied by 1000. That means higher units to smaller units. Here we have to multiply by the relation. That is 1000. Okay. That means 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So we have to convert kilometer to 1000 meter. So higher units to smaller units. We have to multiply. Okay. This is the operation. So that much meter is there. So 900. So while dividing we have to push after the decimal. But for multiplying we have to keep the numbers before the decimal. Okay. Then here 9 we have to keep, but here 3 zeros are there, so we have to keep the 2 more zeros. Then the 8th question, Shyama bought 5 kilogram 300 gram apples. So Shyama, 8th question, Shyama apples, then how much is there? 5 kilogram and 300 gram is there. Then 3 kilogram 250 gram mango. So mangoes 3 kilogram 250 gram is there. Then for Sarala bought 4 kilogram 800 gram. For Sarala it is orange. 4 kilogram 800 gram. Then for banana 4 kilogram 150 gram. Okay. Then what is the who bought more fruits? To get that we have to find the total of these two. So we can say this is 300 gram and 250 gram. Total that is 550 gram. For this one 8 kilogram. 5 plus 3 8. Here it is 8 kilogram and 950 gram. So who got more? So Sarala bought more foods. Then how much? Here we can say Sarala bought more fruits. Then what is the difference between these two? 800 and 800 kilogram. Kilogram is same. Then 550, here 940. So 450 gram is the difference between, 400 gram is the difference between these two. So we can say Sarala bought more fruits than Shyama. Then how much? That is 400 gram. The question is not that actually how much, who bought more. So we have to write that Sarala bought more. For this 9th question, how much less is 28 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer? That means we know 28 kilometer is smaller than 42.6 kilometer. So what is the difference between two? So we can write 42.6 minus 28 point. There is no decimal part. So we can keep there 0.0. Then 6 minus 0, 6 itself. Then 12 minus 12 will be there here 3. 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. Then 14. 14.6 is the answer. So we can say 14.6 kilometer is less than 42.6 kilometer. 14.6 kilometer is less than 42.6 kilometer. That is 28 kilometer. Actually, we have to find the difference between these two. That will be the difference between these two answers. Sorry, that 2 kilometers. Clear? So, I think you got some ideas about this decimal numbers. How can we solve? Okay. Thank you.